Oh geez. Hey, I just got back from the DMV. My son Max is officially a licensed driver, so everyone watch out. So Max was super excited, and I'm excited for him. So else I'm excited about is, as I've told you for years now, how to update your Zoom client. Why that's important? Because the latest update of Zoom client has some amazing new features. I'm going to talk about one of them with you. The new version, as of March 24th, right here, the new latest version of Zoom, 5.10.0, 5.10.0. And what that allows you to do, what the most important thing in my mind, the most fun project that I've been working on a long time, is even more so is integrations with third party companies. And Zoom does integrations better than anybody. One of the people we integrate with in a lot of different manners is Microsoft. And one of the things that we've had release in this latest release is using Microsoft Sharepoint as cloud end storage for all your Zoom chat files. Right? No longer do you have to recall where they're at. We can actually now store them directly in SharePoint. How do we do that? Let's take a look. I'll give you a little shot here. So once we've installed again 5.10.0, you're going to get cloud storage. This cloud storage support for SharePoint, by the way, and Box. Today we're just talking about SharePoint. Why is that important? Well, I'll tell you why it's important. Once I created that integration, once I set the integration to on, what it's going to do now, let me find my client, is now every channel that I create in Zoom chat, right, the most underrated, underutilized modality within the Zoom ecosystem, Zoom chat is super powerful. And this is another example of how powerful this can be, is that now as soon as you add a new channel, like I just did here, this SharePoint integration channel, what this is going to do is open up some possibilities when it comes to the file extensions and the file insertions during a Zoom chat. Look at this now. In the past, I used to be able to upload a file from my computer or from OneDrive or from SharePoint or from G Drive, all of those components, all those cloud services. But now look what I can do. Look what's right there. Create all new Office documentation from Office 365. You can now create your own files right from Zoom chat inside of SharePoint. These are going to be stored in SharePoint. And why that's important, right, is that here, I just want to easily create a Word document. I literally can do that by a click of two buttons. One, file. Two, Word document. Boom. Watch what happens when I open this Word document. I'm going to name this file test Word doc. Now watch what happens. This name is already used by another name. All right. Well, that was a really kind of anticlimactic. Okay, now watch what happens. Let's do this again. Zoom Word doc. I bet I didn't have one named that. Right? So now what happens is now I'm creating a Zoom Word document right from my SharePoint instance. This is really right from my SharePoint tenant in my Microsoft Office 365. So now I have this Zoom Word document. Remember, I just named it right over here, Zoom Word document, and I can now have this test doc, whatever. It's already saving it, right? This is the web version of Microsoft. It's already saved. So now let's go into it, right? Let's go back into, let's say, for example, we want to go into SharePoint. You can literally pull up now your SharePoint instance and see all your information that you just uploaded. And let's take a look. Let's go to SharePoint and see what I can see from my SharePoint website. If I were to go to, let's go up to home and go to SharePoint. Right here, SharePoint. I'm an admin of my tenant, PK Federation. Look what happens right here. By creating that new channel, I've now created a site in my SharePoint portal. I can now drill into that site, that SharePoint integration channel that's sitting in Zoom chat, now has a full SharePoint documentation repository. Now all the things that I just created in that channel, I just showed you this first Zoom document, that Zoom document is now uploaded into SharePoint. That's how powerful that integration can be. You can utilize Box, SharePoint, or Zoom for all your chat channels. What this allows you to do more so is when you're in Zoom, your workflow is going to change a little bit. In the past, when you were in Zoom chat, you had to download an application or a file, and then you had to save it, and then you had to open it up by yourself in a third-party app. No longer do we do that anymore. Now all these files that are uploaded into my Zoom chat channel that is housed on SharePoint are really just pointers to that SharePoint file. So no longer do I have to download anymore. Click to open Microsoft SharePoint. Now what it's going to do is obviously go to that file, that URL associated with that file, and then pull that file out. And now, right now, I can now collaborate on that test Excel spreadsheet. And now I can invite people to collaborate with me that are other colleagues or partners. All through the power of Zoom chat. So that's a cool new feature. There's a whole bunch of them, but I just want to talk about that one today.